Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1970 Mustang Mach 1. Absolutely gorgeous. Probably one of the nicest ones I've seen. I got the owner here. He's going to tell us a little bit about him. How are we doing today?
Not too bad, how are you?
Great. What a gorgeous car, man.
Well, kinda.
Looks like it just came out of the box.
Yeah, it came out of a box yesterday.
Cool.
Oh, the car's in real good mechanical shape, front to back.
It is gorgeous.
No troubles. Everything freaking works. It's perfect.
So you restored this how long ago?
This car was a 10-year-old restoration.
Wow, did a beautiful job. It had to have been a super nice car to start with.
It was. It's literally rust-free. That's why I bought this particular car.
Well, fine and rust-free definitely makes a super candidate for restoration.
It is. All original metal. Virtually all. Floors, everything.
Wow, original floors. Beautiful. So what'd you do? Everything? Paint?
Paint at the time, interior at the time, mechanically, everything. Differential, transmission, drive shaft, engines fresh, brake system fresh. Really not much has been untouched that I can think of on this vehicle. All new weather, well, at the time, weather stripping, trunk stripping. The car was completely apart.
Wow. How many miles on the restoration?
Truthfully?
Yeah.
800, 900.
That's nothing, jeez. Over 10 years?
Yeah. It's not driven very, very much.
Jeez. So everything is pretty much new.
Well, yes, it was. It's not new by date, but yes, new.
Yeah, new.
As in replaced and unused.
Wow. Stored in a climate controlled garage, air conditioned and heated, right?
Yes. Yeah. It gets taken care of relatively well, I'll say that. Better than we take care of ourselves, really.
I'll say that. Jeez. This car is beautiful. So crispy. What kind of options do we have?
This car is not an optioned car.
Oh, okay.
This was a drag Pac Mustang.
Oh, cool.
On the Marti report.
Yep.
You sat 4-speed, roll-up windows, power assist brakes, no power steering. It's manual steering.
So it's a go-fast car.
Well, that's what it was built to be, yeah. In its day, that's exactly what Ford built it to be. It was ordered this way.
Wow. Beautiful. Let's check out under the hood. So what do we got in here?
351 Cleveland, the HO motor.
Date correct?
I'm sorry?
Is it date correct or the original motor?
Yeah, as far as I can tell off the serial numbers.
Cool.
This was Ford's biggest Cleveland horsepower-wise at that time.
HO.
Yeah. Yeah. And it was ordered specifically for one purpose, I'm sure, when it was new.
Go fast.
Yeah, somebody wanted to go down to the Hampton Raceway or whatever.
Yeah,
That's what it was for.
Oh, cool. Let's fire it up. So I see you added MSD distributor, so it's got electronic ignition.
No, that's electronic.
Yep.
Distributor carburetor is brand new.
What do you got in there?
650 double pumper Holly.
It's like a Durashine, okay.
Yeah. Radiator is brand new.
Brand new radiator too?
That's within the last year, actually.
Okay.
But the car is an unused kind of new car. In all honesty.
It's a 10-year-old build, but you didn't use it.
Not really. No time.
Wow. That's great. Interior is beautiful as well. As nice as it gets.
Damn near.
Yep. Good.
It was well.
Showing 26,084 miles. This had to have been a super clean car even before you started. Beautiful. Even the clock works.
Oh, yes, it does.
You know, most of these clocks are just right twice a day.
No, these, well, yeah. But when you put the kit in it, they're right all day.
Mm-hmm. So crispy. Beautiful car. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Any questions at all, feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. And thanks again for showing us your car. It's awesome.
It's okay, man. No problem.